Good morning, students. Here I'm back again. So let's do a little briefing of yesterday's chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? As I told you all, Patrick is the name of a boy who was going to school like you children, like you, and who never liked to do his homework. He thought homework is very boring. One fine day he saw his cat playing with a doll. And the moment Patrick saw the doll, when he went near to the cat, he was surprised to see it was not a doll but a tiny man with a long nose, with a long hat, trousers. He was looking like a small witch. As I told you all, witches are having evil powers. But then it was not a witch, actually it was an elf. Now these elves also, they have got some magical powers in them. Okay, and they are very tiny people, just like you and me. Okay. And the moment the elf saw Patrick, he shouted at him. He said, "Please help me. Please get me rid of the cat." Okay. Patrick said, "I will really help you out. I'll save you from the cat. But on one condition. You have to do the elf said, "Patrick, if you help me out, if you save my life from the cat, I'll grant you a wish." And the moment Patrick heard about the wish, he said, this is the right time to solve his problems. And his problem was doing his homework, which he never liked to do. So he thought he'll save the elf from the cat. The elf will grant him a wish. And he had decided that he'll tell the elf to do his homework for the rest of the semester, that is 35 days. Okay. Now let's continue with the chapter. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. Glitch means a problem, sort of like, means doubt, problems. So here And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. "Help me, he'd say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Now, here, students, as you all know, we human beings know what is the meaning of homework, lessons, studies, because we have been to school. Now, here the elf was really not knowing what studies means, what homework means. Okay, so he told Patrick that I will definitely do your homework as long as you help me in doing your homework. "I don't know this word," the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. "Get me a dictionary." Now I suppose you all know what is a dictionary. "No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter." When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. "What are timetables?" the elf shrieked. "We elves never need that." Now here the elf is telling, "I have never gone through a book. We have never been to school. I don't know how to read. I don't know how to write. And overall, when he came to the subject maths, he was shocked to know about timetable. He didn't know what are tables. What does table means? Okay. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. Now, your children, what can you understand? The elf is saying, I don't know anything related to books. We have never gone to school. We have never opened books. We don't know how to read. We don't know how to write. So you please sit beside me and guide me, do everything. So indirectly, the work was being done by Patrick himself, which he was not realizing. Okay? As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Nag means a person who's always in trouble. Okay? Like there is something happening in his life. Okay? So, here the elf also had a problem every day. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag? He was staying by nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Now here, the elf needed help from Patrick for every small things related to his homework. And Patrick was helping him to do his homework. That's the reason. Weary means very tired. He was so tired. The next day when he used to get up to go to school, his eyes were swollen like, because he was not getting proper sleep. Okay? Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Quietly and slyly. Slyly means very secretly, without telling anybody, without informing anybody, he just went away from his house from the back door. Patrick got his A's in classmates. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Patrick, automatically there was a lot of change in Patrick. Like earlier he was getting irritated. He didn't really like to go to school. He did not like to do his homework. But then when he started helping the elf, actually he was doing his homework himself, because elves had never been to school. They didn't know how to read. They didn't know how to write. They didn't know what is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, tables, etc., etc. And Patrick was really not knowing that he was doing his homework by himself. And the day arrived when he had to submit his homework. His classmates were surprised. His teachers were happy. In fact, even his parents were surprised. Ki what a miracle. How come Patrick did his homework? A boy who never liked to do his homework. Don't you all think so? It is surprising? Yes, my students. All of a sudden, there were lots of changes. His attitude changed. He became a calm boy. He never thought homework was boring. He started cleaning his room, started doing all his work by himself. He was a different boy. Okay? So his parents were surprised. His teachers were surprised. His friends. And Patrick was really feeling very proud of himself. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I'll share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Patrick was really not knowing that whatever homework he thought the elf had done, actually it was not the elf who had done the homework. It was Patrick himself who did his homework. So students, what do you get to know? See, unknowingly, Patrick did his homework by himself. So I suppose you children will also not feel boring when your teachers give you all homework. Don't pile it up. Don't keep it for the next day. The day it's given, see that you'll complete your work rather than piling it up. Are you all understanding, my dear students? Yes. And that's the reason the name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Did you all understand? A boy like you, students, whose name was Patrick, never liked to do his homework. उसको आप ही की तरह होमवर्क करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. Never liked to do. He thought homework is just so boring. And then one day he sees a tiny little man with his cat. The tiny little man shouts for help. And Patrick agrees to help him, to save him from the cat, only on one condition, that he does his homework. And here the elf also agrees to do his homework. But unfortunately, the elf had never been to school. He had never gone to school. उसे पता नहीं था कैसे लिखना है, कैसे पढ़ते हैं. He didn't know anything about maths, where addition is being done, where subtraction is being done, division, multiplications, and many other things. So he used to tell Patrick that I'll do your work, but you need to help me out. And for his surprise, he was really not knowing that the homework, what the elf was doing, was actually being done by him. And see how his parents were happy, the teacher was happy, his friends were happy. In fact, even he saw some changes in him. He learned how to do his homework by himself. He changed his attitude, the way of talking. He became very humble. So students, I think so you all got to know what exactly this lesson teaches you all. Okay? So, for homework, nothing writing, you'll just have to read the lesson twice, 2 times. Is it clear? Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Bye.